You're watching Fred the Infredible on YouTube. Thank you and enjoy the video. Hey guys, sorry I haven't uploaded anything in a while. I've been working on homework for my classes. And I had to finish strong for this semester. Anyway, I'm going to be opening up all the days on my Reese's Christmas calendar that I missed in today's video. One more thing I forgot to mention, is that in the end of this video, I'm gonna feature another Elf Yourself video, just like I did at the start of this semester. Enjoy! If you guys can, please leave a like if you enjoy Christmas like I do. Don't forget to subscribe and become part of the Infredible community. And don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my... Well, I know I just mentioned to subscribe, but don't forget to follow me on my social media as well. Twitter and Instagram. Whatever you guys do, do not follow me on Facebook right now. I've been hacked. But until my next video, I will see you guys when I get there. Peace!